Hello everybody, Swaminath here. Today we are going to see top 5 leadership qualities of SAP consultant. Let's go to the slide. First, client communication. A consultant should narrow down the communication gap between the company and the customer. He should suggest the customer what are all the advantages of SAP, what are the disadvantages. Normally, let's go for advantages of it because you're a SAP consultant. Let us not discuss about disadvantages. What are all the advantages? You have to take an initiative. You have to take these. You have to give them these suggestions, like improving how to improve the sales with the SAP, how to procure the material more effectively, how to retain the customer effectively, how to save the cost effectively, cost saving. That reduces the manual labor, reduce financial reporting errors, and integration with other SAP applications, other SAP module. Other than SAP, you can integrate with other modules, other applications also. So these are all the communications you have to give. These are all the suggestions you have to give to the client, and you have to communicate more effectively all these processes. Next, team communication. If you're getting any technical related support tickets or technical related enhancements, then you have to communicate with the ABAP team, technical team. So technical communication is more important. Team communication, that is technical communication, and the team communication, that is ABAP team. So you have to communicate properly with the other team members, other consultant. If you are a MM consultant, you must be in a position to communicate well with the FICO consultant because MM is closely integrated with FICO. For SD, you have to communicate with MM. For SD, it is closely communicated with MM as well as FICO. So the team communication is always important. So developing, organizing, and growing. That is team communication. Developing, organizing, growing. That is team communication. So if you want to grow, your team has to. Only then the project will be successful. Next, people's management, managing the people. It's very, very important. Talent acquisition. If a new team member has come, you have to give him the proper KT, knowledge transfer. Training, you have to give them the proper training. If he's a fresher, nowadays, most of the projects, management is giving only freshers. So you have to give them proper training, proper KT needs to be given. Some project, it will be having a typical functionality. So those typical functionality needs to be transferred to the team members. So all those team and people's management is very, very important. Again, I'm telling you, developing, organizing, growing. The people management is more important. Process oriented. You must be process oriented. If a company is hiring you, you should know what is activate methodology, what is Scrum, that is agile process. You should be knowing what is ASAP methodology. And they expect you to know bug tracking tool, defect tracking tool like Jira, HPQC, Quality Center, Bugzilla, all those test management, browser stack test management. There is one more latest technology, browser stack test management. How the ticket has been opened and how it gets closed should be known. And once when the ticket has been opened, you have to analyze the ticket, and once you have rectified the ticket, if you are done with the ticket, you have to pass it on to testing team. Testing team needs to create the test case document, and they execute it and they just give sign, and it is being moved to the production. That is the process oriented. One of the process oriented. You should be knowing all the processes in opening the ticket, open to ticket close. Next, documentation. Please, if you are creating any document like functional specification or test case document or user document, user manual, or management management document like PowerPoint presentation, there should not be any errors, zero errors, zero errors. You have to be expertise in creation of functional specification. You have to be expertise in test case creation. You have to be expertise in test summary report. You have to be an expertise. You have to make yourself expertise in user manuals. So all those are all document expertise. Should be good in document preparation. So these are all the 5 qualities. These are all the 5 qualities of SAP consultant. Leadership qualities of SAP consultant. Number 1, client communication, team communication, people management, process oriented, finally document expertise. Thank you.